Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be reviewing what it's like to eat dry cereal at 9:36 in the morning while looking out my front window while there's a bird in the background. So yeah, let's go. I'm not reviewing the cereal. I'm eating Fruit Loops, by the way. I'm just reviewing the experience. It's pretty cool. That's my driveway. That's the walkway up to my house. Oh, there's a car. I wonder what kind of car that was. It was nice. It was a white car. I like different colored cars. But I don't trust anyone that drives like an orange or yellow car. Those are just weird. That's my lamppost. That's a bird bath. That's a tree. That's my neighbor's house. That's my other neighbor's house. That's my walkway up. That's the American flag. And that's my bird. Just a normal day. September 7th. So yeah. I think the most dangerous part about eating dry cereal while looking out your front window with a bird in the background is the fact that there's a bird in the background and they can be loud and that can hurt your ears. So, you know, but I mean like, oh, there's another car. I'm assuming you don't have a bird just for this, you know, exact scenario. This is kind of specific. So, I mean, you know, you're probably already used to that. My bird's name is Baby. I've had her for 8 years. Or maybe 7. 7 years? I don't know. I forget. I'm not sitting down. I really think if I sat, it would add to the experience. As to why I chose dry cereal instead of cereal with milk, I was mainly because I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it today. You know? Today's Saturday. It's pretty cool. I'm eating the Fruit Loops I got yesterday. They're pretty good. So, overall, I'd say this experience is about a 4 out of 10. It's really not anything too amazing. I think the best thing about it is, excluding the cereal, because of course if you have a favorite cereal it's going to enhance it, but you know, but I think the best thing about it is looking at your front window. It's really nice out for me. It's usually just really nice out in general. You know, in my mind, I like the rain. So every day is a good day for me. But yeah. So 4 out of 10, because there's not really much to do besides that. While other setups for eating cereal can definitely like allow you to do more things, like watch TV or talk to people. Oh yeah. So try this at home. It's really easy to do if you have a bird. If you don't have a bird, you're kind of screwed, but that's not my problem, you know. Because now you can watch my video and get the full experience. You can mute the video and then just eat cereal and talk over me. I don't know. Alright, this has been good. 9:40 a.m. September 7th. That's Saturday. Bye-bye.